I'm reading for the sign of Leo. So what you guys can possibly expect for the next, let's take 3 weeks. Okay, so for the sign of Leo, give me two cards. What's really happening in Leo's current life? What's happening in Leo's life currently? What's happening in Leo's life? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're new, welcome back. If you're old, yeah, with Six of Cups, I do feel like you are thinking of your soulmate now. Okay, with Two of Cups, this person, you fell out in terms of relationship with this person. You fell out of romance in terms with this person. I feel like you are heavily thinking about them, and there's this phase where you guys broke up or you guys were not on good terms with each other. Okay, but with Ace of Wands, I do see a new beginning. Okay, I see a soulmate in your life. It could be new or it could be from the past returning to your life. Okay, I see some new beginnings coming in. What else do we see coming up for the sign of Leo? What else do we see coming up for the sign of Leo? What else do we truly see coming up for the sign of Leo? With the Hanged Man, this person could be a water sign, like Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But this person, I believe, has been keeping you waiting. Okay, and you were waiting. Some of you were stalking them or keeping a watch on them. Stalking is a wrong word. Okay, so let's say you were keeping a watch on them. You were waiting for at a distance, like you were basically wanting to know what this person is up to. Okay, with Eight of Wands, I do see messages coming in for you. Okay, after you waiting on and you waiting for them to reach out, I see this person trying to message you or trying to reconnect. I definitely strongly feel you will get communication. Okay, so let's see regarding your person. What's your person up to? One card for your person, Leo soulmate. What's your person up to? What's your person up to, Leo soulmate? Your person, I believe right now, your person in the past wasn't really interested in commitments in relationships. They were more focused on getting financially stable. They were more focused on getting emotionally stable, emotionally independent. They were more focused on basically leveling up personally, like on a very individual level. They were wanting to level up. They were wanting to get better, feel more worthy of themselves. With Five of Wands, they were basically working very hard. Okay, I believe in the past your person wasn't up for relationships. How are they going to come up now? How are they going to come up now? Leo soulmate, how are they going to come up now? With Strength card, I see this person still on some which level wanting to get the strength to come back to you. Okay, they know in some which way that they have done you wrong. Right now they're getting the strength necessary to come forward, but they are coming forward. Okay, if you're wanting to know if this person is single or dating someone, I do not feel like they are dating someone, at least not in a committed relationship. Okay, so far so good. I believe that your person is going to try to reconnect. Okay, and they will want to message you. They will want to come and see you, but this will take time. Okay, this might take a week as well. Okay, since we have the Knight of Pentacles, it's a kind of a slow moving card, but I see some that this person is wanting to make a move towards you, action. So yes, you can very much hear from them. If you're waiting on that, then yes, I believe on some which level that you were waiting on this person to reach out with the Hanged Man. Okay, so yes, so let's start your reading now. This was your energy. So for Leo and their soulmate for the next 3 weeks, what can they possibly expect? Okay, one card for the collective energy between Leo and their soulmate now. What's the collective energy like between Leo and their soulmate now? You guys have gone through a ending. Okay, this person might have rejected you in the past or possibly let you down in the past. They did something that made you feel like they stabbed you in the back. They let you down. They possibly hurt you in some which way, and things ended in the past. Two of Cups was in the reverse. So in the past, I do not see you guys were on equal page or you guys were in good terms with each other. Okay, so how are they possibly going to come forward now? One card for how are they possibly going to come forward now, Leo? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you? With Page of Cups, this person is returning back with a possible apology. Okay, I definitely feel this person is definitely going to apologize and return back in your life. With High Priestess, right now they are thinking about it. Okay, right now they might be processing as to what they want to say and how they want to say it. Okay, they definitely did something that hurt you. Okay, and now they know that if they have to come back, they have to come back with a proper in a proper way. Otherwise, you're not going to accept them. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you, one card for Leo soulmates energy towards Leo soulmates energy towards Leo. For some of you, this person might be younger to you. Okay, for selected few. With King of Cups, this person has lots of love for you. This person has feelings for you. Okay, but in the past they were very self-focused, very selfish, I would say, like very much focused on themselves, their work, their art, their career, their finances. Okay, right now this person is very much looking forward to you with Two of Wands. They are at crossroads, yes, but King of Cups is someone who does not really express much. They have feelings, but they are not really very expressive about it. Like very saying things about I love you and this and that. No, they'd rather show you in actions. They're going to act all sweet. They're going to take care of you. They're going to be very concerned about you. They show love in those ways. Okay, so yeah. In terms of their intentions towards you now, in terms of their intentions towards you, Leo soulmate, what are their intentions going to be towards you for the next 3 weeks? One card for their intentions towards you for the next 3 weeks. Give me one more card for intentions, please. Give me one more card for intentions, please. With King of Wands, I believe that they are intending to take action towards you. They are wanting to come forward. Okay, with King of Pentacles in the reverse, in the past you guys could not get into a commitment, could not get into a proper solid relationship. But right now I see this person wanting to possibly come forward towards you. For selected few of you, this could be a long distance relationship. Okay, the reason why things got messed up was because one, they were focused on their finances, and second, they were very like distant about the whole thing, whole situation. Okay, so what action are they wanting to take towards you? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now, Leo? What action are they possibly want to take towards you? Yeah, with Nine of Swords in the reverse, I believe that they are so restless without you, so messed up without you, that they will choose to communicate, that they will choose to open up. They might also want to let you know of exactly what has happened in their life. Okay, so they are going to be truthful and honest about it. Okay, so they will let you know that they messed up and they are sorry about it, possibly. So yes. One card for what can you possibly expect from this person for the next 1 month? What could you possibly expect in terms of action from your soulmate, from your person next 1 month? On some which level they are still juggling. Okay, right now if they haven't reached out, they are still juggling like whether they should take more time or come back. But majorly I see them coming back. Okay, like 70% I see this person trying to reconnect with you, but as of now they are juggling. They are wondering if they should reach out or not. Okay, so one card for what's really happening in their life currently, what's really happening in Leo soulmate's life currently, what's really happening in Leo soulmate's life currently. If we know spirit, what's really happening in your soulmate's life. Yeah, with Nine of Pentacles again, this person is very single. This person is trying to build financially, get more stable financially, emotionally. So yes, okay, and they are very I would say obsessed with themselves on some which level. They feel like they have got it all. Okay, in the past they might have not felt that way, but right now they feel like they have got it all. Okay, so yes. One card for how do they view you now? How does the Leo soulmate view Leo now? How do they view you now? One card for that is how do they view you now? For some of you, they feel like you are waiting for them to reach out. Okay, they feel like you have done all the effort, and you have possibly put in everything that you could in this relationship, and you're waiting for results. Some of them might feel like you are waiting on them to reach out. You are very, I would say, like frustrated with the whole situation, and they have done you wrong, so you are basically waiting as to what you could possibly expect for the next few months. Okay, and they feel like you're a little confused whether you should give up or not, but majorly they feel like you're waiting, or you're waiting for their reaction, or them to reach out to you. Okay, so one card, what was blocking the connection? What was blocking the connection between Leo and their soulmate? What was really blocking the connection between Leo and their soulmate? What I was blocking was some of you, this person wasn't completely moved on from their past, or they had not completely ended their past relationship. There was no closure. Okay, and some of you, your person or you could not move on from your ex. Okay, I do not know exactly whom, but it could be your partner who was not able to completely let go of their ex, or let go of something that they had to let go of. Okay, and with Five of Pentacles, for selected few of you, this was a long distance relationship. Okay, and you could not reach out, things were not easy. Okay, but still you could not move on from them. Okay, so yes, one card for their feelings towards you, one card for their feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you now, Leo soulmate? What do they truly have for you in terms of feelings, passion? One card for their true honest feelings for you, true honest feelings for you. Four of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like even if this person wanted to grow with you and wanted to have a future with you, they were not very expressive about it. Okay, and if even now they are not very expressive about it with the King of Cups. They do have feelings for you, they do want to hold on to you, but they are not someone who expresses a lot. Four of Pentacles is not a card of someone wanting to express. Okay, so yes, with the Emperor card, this person was very very controlling as to what they said, how they said, and how they came off in front of others. But overall, with the Empress card, I do feel like this person has feelings for you, but they keep it very much hidden. They wear a false mask, like making you believe that they don't have much, but trust me, they do. Okay, Four of Pentacles is clarified by the Empress, which means they do want to grow and possibly build a connection with you. So one card for what are they wanting to offer you now? One card for what are they wanting to offer you now, Leo? What's this person wanting to offer Leo now? One card. What are they wanting to offer Leo? With Queen of Cups, this person does want romance with you, does want a romantic connection with you. Possibly in the past they were running away, or they were doing something shady. They had their third party opener, or something blew up basically. Okay, with Three of Cups, they are very much looking forward to get back with you. They are very much looking forward for a reunion. So far, this is one of the signs that are very positive for the month of September. One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Yeah, with Four of Wands, many of you guys will definitely come back together. Okay, I see reunions after some ups and downs. I do feel like you guys will come back together. Okay, so let's take message from your person. So what does your person want to say to you now? Leo soulmate, what's your person wanting to say to you now? Get a message from your person. I am so lost in you. So they are very much thinking about you, so lost in your thoughts. So yeah. One more card is to what they're wanting to say to you now. I tried telling you the truth, but something always came, or something always stopped me. Okay, I tried telling you the truth, but something always stopped me. One last card. But right now, I see them like wanting to speak up. I see them opening up to you, the honest truth as well. But emotions, this person might take time, because this is not a very expressive person. Okay, so I don't know. No. But they are definitely having feelings for you. Okay, that's a confirmation. You are totally worth fighting for. So right now they are wanting to fight for you. Right now they are wanting to come after you. Right now they are wanting to win you back. This card had to fall out. To be honest, you already have my heart and soul. Okay, so that's the last card. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Leo. Please do consider hitting the like button if it resonates with you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Okay, and if you want a personal reading with me, go to my website and book one. Thank you so much for coming in, and God bless you all. Cheers.